Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil life on your Toyota CHR. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, find the trip button, usually on your steering wheel or dashboard. You'll need to press this button to cycle through the display until you see trip on the odometer. This is a crucial first step for a successful reset. Once trip is displayed, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Now, press and hold the trip button down firmly. While still holding the trip button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. Keep holding that button as the system begins its reset sequence. You'll see the display show resetting maintenance data and a series of dashes or lines counting down. Keep holding the trip button until these lines disappear, and the display shows 0,000,000 or 100%. This indicates the reset is complete. Once you see this confirmation, you can release the trip button. It's that simple to clear the maintenance reminder. To ensure the reset was successful, turn your ignition off, then back on one more time. The oil maintenance light should now be completely off, confirming your oil life has been reset. You've successfully completed the process. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.